sleep and I might go to sleep and I never wake up. I stay up mommy on these therapy sessions, even though I'm showing up. Spend a lot of time on my mind and my heart, but I sleep on the drugs in my car. Me and my girl were screaming at each other right before we got out of the trunk. I got some things inside, I'm trying to free up inside.